Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create Twitter account on your device. So to create a new Twitter account, what you must do here, first of all, go to Play Store or App Store here, and then here you just need to search for Twitter here, and then you must download this application or install this application on your Google Play Store or App Store, as I have already downloaded. So let me just click on open option, and in the first you can see here this type of interface will be pop up. See what's happening in the world right now. So you just need to click on create account here, simply tap on create account, and then here you can see name, phone number or email, and date of birth. So let me just enter my name here. Okay, this will be my name, and then here on phone number, let me just enter my official phone number here, alternative phone number here. Okay, now here let me just enter my date of birth. So let me just go for any date of birth here, let me just go for this, and then this type of interface will pop up. Customize your experience track where you see Twitter content across the web. So just click on next option here. After clicking to the next, you have to just check your information, name, phone number, and your birthday, and click on sign up option and click on OK. So here this type of interface will pop up. So you will receive a code, that is 6 codes. So simply you need to enter the code here. You can see here message, and then you have to click on next option here. So here you have to enter your password. So let me just enter my password here. Okay, I have successfully entered the password. So what you need to do here, you have to simply click on next option here, and then here you can see pick a profile picture. So you just need to click on this plus icon and then select a photo. Okay, let me select this, and then this type of interface will pop up. Apply it. Done. So let me just keep this profile picture for now. So just after this, click on next option here, and then your bio. So let me just give my bio, everyone, for just now. Click on next, and then here not now, or you can sync with your contact English and click on next option. Now here what's interested, so what are you interested for? Cricket, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, or anything. You just you need to click on next option, and then I hope it's done. So just click on next, allow notification, or skip for now. So just go for allow notification, or you can skip it. You can see my Twitter account is ready to use. So this is the Twitter. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon.